What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and in this video session we are going to learn about how can you print the table of a particular number with the help of concept of loops. And in the previous session we have already seen that we have three different types of loops like for loop, while loop and do while loop. So in this video session I will show you that how can you print a table of a particular number with the help of while loop and do while loop and for loop. So we will see one by one. So first we will go through with the help of while loop, that how can we print the table with the help of while loop. And we have already seen the concepts of while loop, means how can the execution of while loop has been done. So here, suppose here I have declared one variable like number. You can take any variable's name, and one variable I have taken x, and here I'm providing some message to the user like enter any number to print its table. And with the help of cin we are storing that particular number in the number variable is number, and we have already declared the variable x and initialized with 1. Here you have to write the while and write the condition like x is less than or equals to 10, and if the condition is true, so here I am going to print like number into x, and we have to keep inside the bracket, and then end line, and here increment operator we have to use over here. So first I will show you that how would be the answer of this particular code. So if I will execute this program, so you can see that enter any number to print its table. Suppose I need to print a table of 15. Once I will press enter, so you can see that this is the table of 15. You can see that 15 to 150 means 10 times I have printed the table of 15. So what is the flow of execution in this coding? So you can see that we are getting some output with the help of cin, and we are storing that number into number variable, and this is the variable x we have initialized with 1, and now it will check the condition. If this condition is true, so here you can see that it will multiply the number into x, and we are getting the output. And here with the help of x plus plus, the value of x would be increased by 1, and it will go up. Now x becomes 2. Now it will check the condition with the 2, and again condition is true, so again you will get the number is again fixed. So number is, suppose I have given number 15, so 15 into 2, that is 30. Again it will check the condition here by increment by 1, and again it will check the condition. So condition is again true, so it will print the 15 into 3, that is 45, and this process will go on until the condition is true. So this is the way how can we write any table of a number with the help of while loop. But in the same program, suppose first I will execute this program with another number. I need to print a table of 5. So now if I will press enter, so you can see that this is the table of number 5. So this is the while loop. With the help of while loop I have showed you that how can you print the table with the help of while loop. But in the same example, if I will make some changes over here, so here like this. So this is the concept of do while loop. So again x is 1. Here directly it will print whatever the number into x, and then increment by 1, and again it will check the condition, and if condition is true, so it will go up, and the same process will go on. And if I will execute this program, so you can see that enter any number to print its table. Suppose I need to print a table of number 7, so press 7, and then you have to press enter, so you can see that this is the table of a number 7. So this is the concept of do while loops, means with the help of do while loop how can you print any table of a number. But with the help of for loop, how can we do that? So what is the syntax of for loop? So here directly you have to write the keyword for, and x would be initialized with 1, semicolon, have to give the condition, and increment operator I have used over here, and here we have to write the number into x and put it in bracket. and to break the line I have to use end line. And now if I will execute this program, so you can see that enter any number to print this table. Suppose this time I need to print a table of number 9. So suppose user has given 9, and after that you have to press the enter. So you can see that this is the table of 9. As you can see that here I am getting the table of a particular number till 10, but suppose I need to print a table up to 20. So here I need to make some changes like this. So in this case you can see that the table will print up to 20. So if I will execute the program, so now suppose I need to print the table of 9, so and press enter. So you can see that this is the table of 9, but it will print till 20. So this is the very quite easy coding, and it's a very less code to print any table of a particular number with the help of loops. And you can see that with the help of 3 types of loops, we have seen that for loop, while loop, and do while loop. And how can we print with the help of loops a particular table? So this is the way. So now in the next session we will see some different type of concept with the help of loops, how and what kinds of programs we can do in the next session. So thank you so much guys for your time.